Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great today. Actually, this is my first YouTube video. I'm S.O. by name, and this is my channel. We're going to be talking about general gist concerning music, concerning sports, concerning animals, and so on, and also concerning health, and so on and so forth. So, this in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to lose your weight. So, I want you guys to stay tuned to this video, and thanks. Before we begin the video, I want you guys to do me the biggest favor. I'm gonna say do me the biggest favor by liking my videos, subscribing to my channel, share my videos, and also do me the last favor by commenting so that we're gonna know where I'm lacking behind. Thanks. So let's get started with the video. The two natural herbs in which I made my research on, which I discovered is all about the combination of lime and lemongrass tea. Those herbs are actually very fantastic. I'm gonna tell you guys the process in which you can make or form that tea. Let's get started. The process we're gonna use now is the process we're gonna call this house process, and the thing I'm gonna call it, that I call it the house process, is very fantastic. Let's see it now. First of all, you're gonna boil water in a kettle. After doing that, you got bring the lemongrass. I want you guys to always take note of something. I want you guys to cut only the root, slice only the root out, because the root has no beneficial purpose for the body, but it's the lemongrass leaf is very good for the body. Just only the root tissue cut out. When you cut out the root, I want you guys to do something. Waste it, because hygiene matters a lot. When you waste it, then you go to tie it so that it won't scatter in the pot or in the container in which you want to use or you want to do your tea. Then after doing that, when the water is boiled, then you go to take water out from the fire, pour the water on the container. Then you're gonna wait for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. All the patient, bro. All the patient, ladies and gentlemen. When you wait for 5 minutes, then you're gonna see how the lemongrass we're gonna flush in good tea in which you're gonna like it. After doing that, you're gonna bring your lime, just 2 bulbs of lime or 2 limes and fruit. Then you're set. After doing that, just slice it. When slice it, you're gonna see it's gonna change to 4. I'm gonna say 4. Yes, you're going to squeeze it into the lemongrass tea. When you squeeze it, you squeeze all of them. I want you guys to remove the lemongrass first. You remove the lemongrass. I want you guys to stir it. After you stir it finish, don't forget one last thing, because lime seed always have seed and lemongrass always have some type of particle leaves there. So I want you guys to bring out the funnel. After bring out the funnel, you're gonna filter the water and filter your tea so that you won't get on your throat. Yeah, you won't come to mistakenly swallow a seed on your throat. And after doing all that, you're gonna see that you have actually gained the favor of those lemongrass tea. You're gonna drink it comfortably. But I want you guys to also take note of something. I don't want you guys to take it, know that it will not have a side effect on you. So before the video is going to end, I want you guys to also do something. Some guys will be like, wow, I love this girl, I like this girl, but the only this advantage about this girl, she's too fast, she's too bossy. Don't say that, bro. You can also do something for her by doing this process for her. Just make it for her, man. She's gonna love you more, and she's gonna change your design model, and she's gonna see how slim she is. And you see, wow, I really love this tea. Then you're gonna thank the natural herbs. Then some girls gonna, I like this guy. This guy have a big tummy and he's too fat. I think I'll try this for this guy, and the guy is gonna love you more and more and more. So thanks guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys. If you guys just create this time and watch my videos, I really love you guys. Thank you. I want you guys to stay safe, stay healthy, and also stay at the right place at the right time. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you.